Meaning of dogcatcher.
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 Dogcatcher. The term dogcatcher refers to a person whose job is to catch stray dogs who are wandering around without an owner. Their responsibility is to ensure public safety by capturing and containing these animals, preventing them from causing harm or creating a public nuisance. The result of their work is twofold. On the one hand, they provide protection to the community by removing potentially dangerous dogs from public spaces. On the other hand, they offer these animals a chance to be rescued and rehomed in a safe and caring environment.